welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. So today's video is going to be a home decor haul. I am so excited for this video. I started my channel with home decor hauls back in like 2014 or something crazy. And I love home decor. Home decor is definitely one of my passions. I love decorating. I love all things home decor and styling. So I have not done a home decor haul in such a long time. I am so excited for this video because I bought some adorable spring decor, so I wanted to show you guys. So if you guys are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below and follow my channel. Also follow my vlog channel. Daryl and I are going to start vlogging again, which I'm so excited for. We do have a really cool trip planned in May, so we're gonna be going somewhere very special. So make sure you guys go follow that vlog channel so you guys can find out where. And I also do have another Instagram that I just created called My Lovely Texas Life, which correlates to my vlog. So everything for decor will be on My Lovely Texas Home, and everything personal and like trips and random pictures will be at My Lovely Texas Life. So make sure you guys go follow that. So let's get started with this haul. So I have some stuff from Marshalls, from Tjmaxx, and from Kirklands. This was $12.99 at Marshalls. When I saw this, I loved it. It is gorgeous. So I like to get bouquets like this because I do break them apart and make multiple little arrangements with them, which I love doing. And these are really hard to find, and at least in my area, I hardly find beautiful bouquets like this. So when I saw this, $12.99 is a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie. When I saw the price, I was like, I don't know if I wanna spend it. But I hardly find these. And I love a neutral floral like this. Right now you'll see, I either go neutral or I go with one certain color that I love. So yeah, so I got these. When it comes to my florals, I go either neutral or I go with a beautiful bright fuchsia color, which is this. Look at that, the color is just mesmerizing to me. I thought this was so cute. It has hot glue coming down from it. I thought this was so beautiful. And this was $9.99. So you guys know I love, let me show you guys what I was gonna do. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this exact vase, but I love the way blue and white looks with fuchsia. So, I mean, oh my gosh, this might stay. This fits perfectly. Oh, I love this so much. So this is what I love to do. I love to incorporate my blue and white with this beautiful fuchsia color. I think it just pops so much. And this looks stunning, guys. I love the way this looks. I think I'm gonna leave this right here for the rest of the video. Like, look at how beautiful that is. You guys can see that? It looks so beautiful. Let me move this so it can be closer. That just looks so pretty. I am in love with that. It looks so beautiful. Okay, the next thing I got at Marshalls. Let's open this. I don't even remember. It's like Christmas right now. Do you guys ever go shopping? And I don't film my hauls like immediately. Sometimes I just leave stuff like either in my office or in the living room. Sometimes I forget what I got, so it really feels like Christmas. But I believe this is a spoon rest. Yep. So this was $3.99 and I just loved it. It is beautiful. Of course, it's blue and white. I felt like it would go perfectly with my decor in my kitchen and just in the house in general because I love blue and white. But this is so cute. I do have a wooden one from Williams-Sonoma that I use, but sometimes when you cook, you have multiple spatulas and stuff, so I figured, why not just get another one? The next store I'm going to talk about is Tjmaxx. Let me show you a floral arrangement that I got. So like I said before, I either go with really neutral florals or this really pink fuchsia beautiful color. And that's what I have here. So this was $16.99. Me and this one lady, we were actually talking. We were both looking at the same one. And we were like, do I need it? No, do I need it? We thought there was only one. But there was actually a bunch of them on the other side. So we both were able to get one. It was so funny. But because she had decided she didn't need it after all. So I took it. We both were walking around the corner and there was like multiple ones. And she's like, no, I do need it. And she picked one up for herself. So it was so funny. But this is what it looks like. Guys, it's a little dirty. I need to clean that. That's the only thing about mirror decor. It gets really dirty. but I will be cleaning that soon. But look how beautiful this bouquet is. The bouquet itself is what won me over. I'm not really big on mirrored decor, but I just loved this so much. It's very rare that I actually like a floral arrangement, so when I saw this I knew I had to get it. But yeah, this was $16.99. It's gorgeous. Now I have so much floral, I love it. Okay, I have a bunch of stuff here from Tjmaxx. I have a lot of stuff here. This was like a really good collection. Okay, so get ready for some blue and white overload. I hit the jackpot at Tjmaxx. I was so excited with this collection. It's so beautiful and I went a little crazy. So this was $4.99. It's a cute little picture. I thought it was adorable. It's a little blue and white picture. I thought it was so cute. This would actually look really pretty with some florals. Like, let's see. I think these might be too long. But you see, like, that could look really cute if I trimmed them down. I thought that was adorable. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it, but they also had a bigger one. So I bought these two. They're so adorable. This one was $6.99 and this one was $4.99. The prices are always so good at Tjmaxx. I honestly did not need these because I have so many pictures, but I collect pictures. But the blue and white just won me over. I knew I had to have it because it's blue and white. So the next thing I got from that collection was this plate. This was $7.99 and I thought it was really cute. These spring allergies ain't no joke, y'all. So I thought this would be really cute to serve some appetizers on here. And the blue and white is just, it's stunning. That pattern is just beautiful. I like the color of the blue. It's a really beautiful blue. So I thought this was a really good deal. The other thing I found, I thought this was adorable. This was $5.99. It's the same style as the spoon that I showed you guys earlier. So this is the same, as you can see, it's the same style. I really liked this style a lot more than the other one, but I couldn't find much of this. But I did find these two pieces and I thought they were great. So the spoon was $3.99 and this was $5.99. Okay, the last store I'm going to talk about is Kirklands. So at Kirklands, I got this really cute floral arrangement. It was $8.99 and I got it for, I believe, 30% off because there was a really good sale going on. It got a little smushed, but let me fix that real fast. But once again, it goes back to that beautiful fuchsia color that I love. So when I saw this, I just thought it was really, really pretty. I love all the colors. It's just really gorgeous. And I really liked how it looks distressed here. So yeah, I thought it was a really good deal. I got it for 30% off and I think this would be really cute in my office on my desk. I really, really like it. So the next thing I found was a really good deal. It was $16.97 clearance plus 25% green tag and 30% off. And I've been looking for something like this for the longest time because, you know, your girl, I'm Mexican. I love my chips and salsa, my queso, my guacamole. So I needed this. And I was gonna buy one of these, but it was a lot more basic. But when I saw this, guys, it's wood and come on. It's perfect. I was so excited when I saw this because it's wood and I could put chips all around with some queso or guacamole and just have a little fiesta. So I was so excited for this and it came out to be like, I think $10 and it's normally $30. So I got a really good deal on this. I was so excited for that. The last thing I got at Kirkland's, it was $9.99. I thought it was such a good deal. You guys know I love florals. I love paintings. I love watercolor florals. So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. I'm gonna be decorating our master bathroom because I have not done anything to that. But this is gonna be the inspiration. Isn't this gorgeous? Let me try it. Oh, there we go. So this is the painting. It's gorgeous. I loved it so much. It just looks so tranquil to me and it's florals and it's beautiful. So I bought two of these and they're gonna be stacked on top of each other. It's gonna look so pretty. I'm so excited for this. So that's all for this home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will be doing a home tour very, very soon. I'm so excited for you guys to see that. I'm going to be showing you guys the living room and the dining room and the kitchen. And I'm going to be doing some more videos upstairs because we have a whole loft that you guys have never really seen that much. We haven't really done anything. There's only like a couch there, but we're going to be doing a whole shebang there. And we can't wait to show you guys how that comes out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.